Do you have back pain after suffering a fall? It can be a spinal fracture, and here's how a minimally invasive treatment such as balloon kyphoplasty can help you stand tall again. When bones in your spine become weak due to conditions like osteoporosis, they can collapse and cause severe pain and deformity. This is called a vertebral compression fracture. In balloon kyphoplasty, a small needle is inserted into the fractured bone under live X-ray or CM guidance through a very small minimally invasive incision. A medical balloon is gently inflated inside the bone, and this restores the height of the collapsed bone and creates the normal height which you were born with. This creates space for the cement to fill in. Next, a special bone cement is injected into that cavity, which hardens quickly and stabilizes the fracture and reduces the pain instantly by acting like an internal cast. This procedure usually takes less than an hour per vertebra that is fixed, with minimal bleeding. Most patients walk within a few hours and feel rapid pain relief. Kyphoplasty is a safe and effective way to treat spinal fractures and restore the quality of life. Consult your orthopedic surgeon today to know if you are a candidate or if you know a loved one who has suffered a spinal fracture.